Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing some slime. So yeah, let's get started. What you're gonna need, it's gonna be some Elmer's glue, some contact solution, and baking soda. So yeah, let's get on to the big and something to mix with. So let's get. So first we're gonna pour in the glue. How many slime you want to do? I'm gonna just make a little bit of it. Food. So now we pour in the baking soda. So how I was saying, pour the baking soda in a little bit. Then once you pour it in, you stir it, and you see that it's starting to form, but it's done already. So now we're gonna put in the eye drops. It could be whatever. You can use contact solution, eye drops for the eyes, whatever you want. I'm using this, and you make a little bit. You put a little bit. You put a little bit, a little bit, and a little bit. So now you're gonna stir. You're gonna see that it's starting to form, and it's awesome. And you touch it, and it doesn't stick to your hand. Just that it smells weird. So this is slime we made. It's awesome. So if it's like that hard, we could pour some more baking soda. Stir it, and then we pour some contact solution. Then I'm gonna be making something like powder with something. So we're gonna be pouring a little bit more of these. I'm gonna make two slime with glue. I think it's gonna be clear glue, glittery glue with type. So once you did it, you just poke it with something and start making slime. And it is slime, trust me. Just that it's too liquidy. Eye drops. This, it could be whatever brand you want it. Sorry, I have not posted videos since a long time. So yeah, we're gonna clean because it's too liquidy. Clean with a napkin or something. So don't be hiding because of your mom using this. Trust me, with this, it's